Brandon Kennedy with Kennedy Financial Group. I wanted to take a quick moment today to invite you to our bowling fundraiser, Strikes for Servelocal. We are thrilled to once again partner with Servelocal. It's an organization right in our backyards that does just incredible work, providing support for food insecurity, providing a community pantry, and in addition to that, providing services that help break the cycle of poverty. And these are helping families right in our backyard here in Rochester Hills and Shelby Township. So what the event is, it's April 15th from 1 to 4 p.m. It's a bowling fundraiser at Classic Lanes in Rochester Hills. We'd love to have you come out. We are supporting the bowling for the event. So every dollar raised for tickets or raffle items, 100% of it's going to go to Servelocal. And we're just really thrilled to live out our goal of guiding wealth with purpose and just kind of living that out as a firm. So there's two ways to get involved. You can come out and bowl with us. We'd love to have you, or invite your friends and family. It's very friendly, family friendly. And we're going to have, for $25 donation, you get bowling for 3 hours, you get pizza, pop. We're going to have some fun raffle prizes to participate in, and just have a really good time to come out and bowl. Number two is if you own a business or know of or work for a business that might be interested in helping be a partner with us. We have a couple of different opportunities that we'll have a link to in the video to sponsor the event. If you can't do, the business can't do a financial sponsorship, we are also accepting gift cards, gift baskets, donated items that'll be raffled off at the event. So it's a great way to impact families right in your backyard and support a pretty great event that we're putting on. So if you want any more information, you can call our office 248-528-0485 or email lauren@kennedyfg.com. But we're really excited to kind of live out this core value that we have of inspiring team and community. So hopefully we can bring some Kennedy Financial clients together and support this awesome organization. So thank you so much for your consideration, and I hope to see you there on April 15th.